What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got the OnePlus 13 on deck, and it is a case video. Now, shout out to the good folks over at Nillkin. They actually sent your boy out some cases to check out. What we checking out now is the Camshield prop magnetic case for the OnePlus 13. So this is definitely a case with MagSafe powers, and also, as you can see, it's got a pretty cool camera cover because the OnePlus 13 does have like a big camera array on the back, and you don't want to crack or scratch that thing. So we got some certified protection for it. So as you can see on the back, we got reliable protection, all-around protection, and superior sense of touch. Now, very easy unboxing. You just open it up like so. And here we are presented with the case, guys. So it's a pretty cool looking case, I must say. So you can see nice big camera cover. And one thing about the OnePlus 13, it does have like a big camera, or there's a couple different camera sensors, and there's a big circle. So that could easily be cracked or scratched up if you drop the OnePlus 13. And for sure way to make sure it don't get damaged, is have something like this that completely covers it when you're not using the camera. Okay guys, so we got the case out of the packaging, and I actually like the case a little bit more that I got it out of the packaging. It's a little bit more protective than I expected. But as you can see, we got that big camera cover door that also serves as a kickstand. So that's pretty dope. At the same time, pretty sturdy, and it closes with a nice little, you heard that? I like how it closes, snaps closed, but pretty sturdy at a lot of angles, so you can definitely use this as a landscape type kickstand to watch some BG Tech Life. If for sure your whole camera array on the back of your OnePlus 13 is protected. Now on the back, it's not full carbon fiber like I thought it was. It's just got a polycarbonate build with like some ridges or wrinkles going through the case. Nice little design that does provide some grip. On this side, as you can see, you got a cutout for your mute slider. And you also got some Nillkin branding going on. Up here, you got all your cutouts for your IR blaster, microphone, things of that nature. But look, you got bolstered up protection at each corner. A lot of times when you drop your device, it's going to hit on a corner, and it's bolstered up and ready with that drop absorption in every corner. Again, down bottom, bolstered up, drop protection, all your cutouts. So this is a nice little protective case. The sides are covered. You got bolstered up protection in every little corner. Take it to the inside, and you have a MagSafe ring. So definitely a feature pack case. Does offer some protection. You got MagSafe, and for sure the big camera door to keep your camera A1 the whole time using your OnePlus 13. So here it is, guys, OnePlus 13. As you can see, the camera is nice and recessed in here. So even if you was to drop it with this door open, it's recessed behind this case, guys. So the lip around the camera would take the impact. And like I said, you still got a nice sturdy kickstand. Also, close this up, and this is going to be a look. I don't think it's a bad looking case. I think it's a pretty cool looking, unique looking protective case. You got enough space to get to your mute slider. Nillkin branding down bottom, nice little touch right there. Not too much branding, just a nice little touch. I like when companies do it like that. Protruding button press. I like they got a protruding button press with the slits. So you're getting a natural button press. Only thing missing is the symbols. I like when they put the symbols on the button press. But you got a nice tactile protruding button press. Down here, if you want to rock out with a lanyard, you got a spot for a lanyard. Now around front, you got a nice little lip that go around the display that might take the impact instead of the display taking the impact. If you drop this on the flat surface. And at each corner is raised up. So you got feet also on the front. So feet also on the front that if you drop this on the flat surface, it's going to actually hold the device up so you don't even hit the display. And I think this is a better angle right here. As you can see, it protrudes out right here, got little feet just on the front so you can actually have some space between the surface and your display. But we're going to go ahead and test the MagSafe powers real quick. Locked on with the ring holder, and not locked on nice and tight. So I must say now I'm just holding the ring holder, and the only thing holding the phone is the magnet MagSafe power. It's not going nowhere. It's pretty strong, pretty decent. I feel comfortable with the phone on here. So yeah, MagSafe strength is good. But definitely for sure, shout out to Nillkin for sending this case out. This is the Camshield prop magnetic case. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.